Paul. Ta-da! We're going to be in the kitchen with Allie, me, and Shadow!
Should we do it in color?
Look at him. Okay, now, today is something we'd like to show you. We made chocolate pie.
It looks a little gross in black and white, but we're sorry about that. We cannot fix that.
Obi?
This is what Shadow ate for breakfast.
Okay, now, on this pie, you want to make a heart?
With your finger.
I will see. Okay.
Chucky.
Now, do you like chocolate pie? I like chocolate pie. Do you like chocolate pie?
Yes, I do.
Let me wash off my finger. Excuse me a moment.
Why don't you
It's very soft.
smell the chocolate?
I will. Oh, it's a little stinker, wasn't it? Okay, now, I haven't said this the whole video so far, and that's kind of hard. Suck it, business! I'm a business. I'm a business.
I'm a business.
We're businesses. Coming from my house. Now, as you can see, this pie has a heart in it, which stands for love. Now, see, it's soft tissue. Okay, now I'm going to smell the pie because pie smells good. Okay, no, we got to get for the gall again to the again. Sorry, talking about how we're gonna split. To the guest again. To the guest.
Okay.
We can go over the deal. You can get the deal.
Okay, video. Here we go.
I like to wet my hair when I smell pie. Because, your hair can go in pie and get all chocolatey. So, for the smell of the pie. Should we go with the guys? Should we go? I'm getting you just get me. You go.
Oops, I tricked you.
Where's your problem, girl?
Okay, good time. Smell the pie.
Okay, the guys can do it again.
What?
Oh, it's all
My nose is